Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Accord ignition switch. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and removing the key from the ignition. Gather basic tools like screwdrivers, a socket set, and trim removal tools. Keep replacement parts and any extra keys nearby. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Follow step-by-step instructions to avoid damaging the steering column or wiring harness. Begin by removing the lower dash and steering column covers gently with trim tools. Unscrew fasteners and separate the two halves of the steering column cover to expose the ignition assembly. Carefully peel back any insulation or foam to access wiring and mounting bolts. Label connectors with tape to remember their positions. Keep screws in a small container so nothing gets lost during the process. Disconnect the ignition switch wiring harness and remove the mounting screws to free the old switch. Slide the old switch out and install the replacement, ensuring the key cylinder aligns with the new unit. Reconnect the wiring harness and reconnect the battery temporarily to test ignition, accessory, and start functions. Verify the engine turns over and electrical accessories work before final reassembly. Once confirmed, reassemble covers and secure all fasteners tightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.